Avouria.com delivers an outstanding and truly premium online shopping experience that leaves a lasting impression through its elegance, quality, and customer-first approach. From the very first visit, the website reflects a refined sense of style and professionalism, with a clean, modern layout that makes browsing effortless and enjoyable. Every product is showcased with high-quality visuals and well-written descriptions that clearly communicate value, craftsmanship, and usability, allowing customers to make informed and confident choices. What genuinely sets Avouria apart is its commitment to offering thoughtfully curated products that feel exclusive rather than mass-produced, creating a sense of trust and refinement in the brand. The attention to detail is evident not only in the product selection but also in how the entire shopping process is handled, from intuitive navigation to a smooth, secure checkout experience. Beyond aesthetics, Avouria excels in delivering consistency and reliability. Orders are processed efficiently, shipping is timely, and packaging is handled with care, ensuring products arrive in pristine condition while reinforcing the brand's premium identity. This thoughtful presentation adds to the overall sense of value and satisfaction, making the unboxing experience just as enjoyable as the purchase itself. Customer service further strengthens Avouria's reputation, with prompt, friendly, and knowledgeable support that makes customers feel genuinely valued and heard. Questions are answered clearly, concerns are addressed professionally, and the overall interaction builds confidence and long-term trust. What makes Avouria.com particularly impressive is how seamlessly it blends style, functionality, and dependability into a single cohesive experience. The brand clearly prioritizes quality over quantity, focusing on long-lasting value and customer satisfaction rather than quick trends. Each interaction with the website reflects care, intention, and a strong understanding of modern consumer expectations. Overall, Avouria.com stands out as a reliable, stylish, and customer-focused destination that consistently delivers excellence, making it an ideal choice for shoppers who appreciate premium products, smooth service, and a brand that truly values its customers.